Hey everybody, this is a quick informational video. I got the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G, and I'm going to show you how to change your language settings. So for example, if you accidentally change your language to another language, I'll show you what you got to do. So first, you want to swipe down, tap on the gear for settings, and then you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and you're going to tap on this icon, so the three toggle switches here. So you're going to tap on this. You're going to tap on the first option, and right here is your language settings. Now to change the language, you actually have to tap on the little up and down arrow right here and drag the language you want to the first selection, and then tap on the blue confirm button or the apply button. And now that's how you can change your language. So hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.